The orange plant, they can survive and last for 50 to 60 years. And that is without chemical or poison. I think these bad boys, we got them right up to maybe 40 years. This was a Washington orange. The wind toppled it yesterday evening, I would say about around 3 o'clock. A little bit after 3 or so, but somewhere between 3 and 4 p.m. yesterday. Someone that watched the channel wants this root so they can have it. It has a lot of decay on it, so but I already let them know that it has decay on it, but they still can have it. I was just checking with this cut right here, trying to see how far the saw would go. But then I also realized that when the chain snapped off a few seconds ago, I didn't add any more bar oil. So you can see in certain areas where it started to die from the inside. Now it's all gonna be put to use and stockpile and put up and be used as firewood. There's another hole right there. With all of it, some of it is still green. You see that right there? That's that one on the bottom, the very bottom right there. My finger is at, that's green. But more than 98% of it was gone. I'm gonna do a little Father's Day fire pit tomorrow and burn some stuff tomorrow. Then I'm gonna use the ash to put in my garden. I was scheduled and planning on taking this one down, but I don't know if I should and give it a little bit more time, because when I was doing some stuff a few days back, I saw these green leaves coming out of it. So quite a bit of it might be under stress, but it's still doing its thing. See, there's more green over here. There's another green shoot right there. And quite a bit more over here. So it's split in half, but you can see it's still surviving. So maybe I could put some stuff down there to just help it to see how long we can keep it going and keep it alive. If we can get one more stuff from it, I can go ahead and maybe cut this up, make firewood. Just doing a little bit of chopping and cutting and cleaning up this morning. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there this weekend. Enjoy yourself, take care of yourself, celebrate you. Make sure you do something nice and magnificent for yourself. Happy Father's Day, guys. Enjoy the weekend. So now I'm gonna hike over and check out and see what's going on with the reserve, the bar oil reserve, and see if there's any in there. And there's some in there. Well, more than some. It's pretty full. I've been busy the last couple of days. I missed a couple of days of watering. Those look horrible over there. But then again, it looks like maybe something is eating it. I don't know. You got some new growth coming out right there. Right there. That's it. And this is nothing but leaves and stuff down there. So I'll try and see if I can get them some water today. Plus the last couple of days have been super hot. See, I put some ash in there as well. I think something's eating the plant, the leaves. This other bed is doing well. This is a combo of leaves, stems, branches, stumps, and mixed in with soil. So a lot of this is inside soil. These are just sitting inside the leaves and the branches and the stems on stuff in there. They claim that you get a stronger or better yield from this one because it has more room to push. But be warned and instructed and advised that the first time you do this type of bed, the yield that you get from it is not going to be as much as you're planning or you're expecting. The second and third year, that's when it really starts to do its thing, because that's when the bed is a lot healthier. You have more mulching, it can trap and retain and hold moisture and water at a better pace. Right now I haven't been putting a lot of water in it, so that's another issue as well. So you know, the first year you got to spend time just watering the bed, just putting water. But yeah, it's pretty cool. The guy wants to stump there. As I walked up, I saw it. It looks like something that would be a nice design. If you can turn it into artwork, it would be something pretty cool. These are cassava, and these beds have been planted at different times. There's 3 different times that I've planted them in the last couple of months. So they're not gonna all bear fruit at the same time. Happy Father's Day, guys. Enjoy your weekend. And drink and eat responsibly. If not, just be a total glut and do a gluttony weekend. Cheers.